Ever fumble for the lamp switch in the dark? Wish you could control your lights with a touch of nature. Welcome to today's episode of Talking Trees, bringing you amazing plant switch. Let's see how a plant would work as a switch for your table lamp. Look at carefully how we are creating this amazing plant switch. This wonderful device uses capacitive sensing to transform your houseplant into a convenient light switch. With a gentle touch on a branch, the plant switch activates, bathing your room in inviting light. No more scrambling for a switch. A simple touch is all you need to create a relaxing ambience with the plant. With another touch on the plant, the light fades away, just as gently as nature itself. This is where the greenery meets convenience, and you will definitely love this experience. Combine your passion with lighting control, adding whimsy to your routine. You can dive into the future of home automation through this plant switch. More advancements are on the way. Keep in touch. We will return with another episode of our journey through the talking trees. Until then, support us by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. Don't forget to support us on Patreon to see our research grow more. We are Talking Trees.